The intelligent career comprises three ways of knowing: knowing why, knowing how, and knowing whom. Knowing why is about the motivation, what it is that gets us out of bed in the morning to go to work. It's about our passion and our interests. It includes our personality and also the way that the work-life balance in our lives changes over time and affects our motivation to work. Knowing how is about the job-related skills and expertise that we have. We develop this over time, and each of us should be having an agenda to develop new skills and competencies. Knowing whom is about the relationships that we have that provide support, access to information and transmission of reputation. It's the people we know inside and outside of the organisations, the family groups that we have and the community groups that we associate with that provide us with linkages. It also includes what we used to call networking, but today it's much more about developing relationships with integrity than it is about exchanging business cards at an external event. It's when we look at the three ways of knowing together that we get a holistic view of career, and this is a key challenge so that we maintain an overall view of where we're going and how what we're doing in any moment might support us in moving towards our vision. The leadership challenge is involved in understanding these processes and having a framework that can be used to support other people in our organisations to gain their own career clarity.